This zipper is completely broken, so I'm going to show you the easy way to replace the zipper. First off, we're going to want to cut the old zipper off as close to the coat as possible. After that, we have to pull off all the strings where we just cut along and just keep pulling until there's no more left to pull. I'm taking the lining material and making an edge by pinching it and pinning it, and then I'm sewing a line along here, and now I got a kind of flap to sew the zipper to. The original zipper started right here. It's going to start at the exact same spot. So now we just have to do the exact same thing on the other side. In recap, first, cut off the zipper and pull off all the loose threads. Second, fold the lining material and sew an edge to sew the zipper onto, and then lastly, sew the zipper onto that edge. She's fixed, and I think it looks pretty good too, you can't tell. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope this helps you in replacing zippers without having to do a ton of extra picking and that kind of thing. Anyway, please like and subscribe if you like this kind of video. And also, thanks for watching!